Welcome to all of you, my online classes, DARBHANGA live classes. Today I am again came here with a new question from chapter Coordinate Geometry of a Standard 10th from exercise 7.2, question number 6 here. So without wasting our time, let's go to start what question is used to speak about and we will solve it. Question is saying if 1, 2, 4y, x6 and 3, 5 are the vertex of a parallelogram, then taken in the order find the value of x and y. So whatever given, there are the 4 points might be there whose whose coordinates are given, right? So we have to find the value of x and y. So first of all, let's go to draw. There is a parallelogram is given, so let's go to draw a parallelogram. Suppose that here I have drawn a parallelogram here, maybe whose name I can give. Let A, B, C and D. These are let 4 vertex of a parallelogram is given, might be. So we can write here, let these are the 4. You can say that let A, whose coordinates I can take like a 1, 2, B, 4y, C, x6 and what happened, D, 3, 5 are the vertex of a given parallelogram. Okay, might be I have wrote those like a vertex of a parallelogram which is given actually, right? So let's go to know what actually we have to find here. So here is given, that is we have to find the value of x. So if I will put this one, so A coordinates is given 1, 2, B coordinates I have as I have written here, that is 4y, C coordinates is given here like a x and 6 and the D coordinates which is like here is 3 and 5. So what you can see by the properties of a parallelogram, you can see their opposite side which you can see, that is parallel and just congruence, maybe equal will be there. So and this will be equal to this. So definitely what happened there, what will happen there, diagonals will also equal, yes, and diagonals will bisect to each other equally, right? So this midpoint which you can see O here which I have taken, both will be equally, I mean AC and BD are two diagonals of this parallelogram will be there and their midpoints will be equal, right? So what we can write there, so what happened, you can say the midpoints of what, AC will equal to what happened, midpoints of what happened, BD. Okay, so this is a midpoint which is given, that definitely what happened, equally it will bisect to each other. This part will equal to this and this will be equal to this. What? So you can say the ratio of this one, what will be there, ratio of AC will bisect equally, so there will be 1 and this will be also 1, right? Similarly this will be 1, this will be also 1, because if a line is going to be bisect equally from the height, then the ratio is going to be half and 1 1 from the both side. So there is a M1 and M2 if I'm going to find out here. So definitely let's go to find out the midpoints of AC. The first of all midpoint of AC will find out. What will be the midpoints of that AC? The maybe midpoints of AC, first of all we have to find what will be the midpoints of AC. So we will find out here midpoints of AC. In to find out AC, what we will do there now? First of all, the coordinates of AC, as you know, it's given 1, 2 and C is given x and 6. Okay, and what happened, the ratio already given here, like maybe you can say that AO will equal to OC, that will be 1:1. So we can find out the midpoints of that. The midpoint, let midpoints O, which I can write here like let coordinates of O be x and y. So I took that coordinates of O as a x and y. So we will find the value of x and y. So find the value of x. X will be what? By the section formula, as you are knowing very well, which I have mentioned in the description, their link, you must see there how you can find out the section formula. So the x value comes like what happened, m1 x2. So m1 is the stand for here 1, right? So there is a 1 into x2 is given what, that's a x, plus what happened, m2 x1. The m2 is still given, that is same, that is x1 is 1, no problem, by m1 plus m2. The m1 is given 1 and m2 is also 1. So we can find out by this way all those whatever. So we can find out now here, x is going to multiply 1, will be x, and it will be what, 1 by 2. So it will be x value we have got here, x plus 1 by 2. Similarly, we will find out the value of y also here. So the y value will be what, y is equal to x1 m2. Yeah, it means you can say that m1 y2. M1 is given 1 and y2 is given 6, plus m2 that is also given 1 and the y1 is given 2 by m1 plus m2. So it will be what, there will be 6 plus and 1 2 ja 2 and there will be 2. It will be what, 6 to 8 by 2, that will be 4. So what we have got, y is equal to 4 we have got, x value is given here now, no problem at all. So the points of, you can say that the midpoints of, there will be, what will be the midpoints you got there, x and y we have to find, that is O. So what we have got now, O coordinates we have got, x value is given already here, x plus 1 by 2 comma, that's a 4. So this is the midpoints of we have got here now, no problem at all. Yes. So we are able to find out. Now we will find out here, AC we have got the now midpoints of, what happened, midpoints of BD we will find. To find the midpoints of BD, again we will write the same thing. The coordinates of B, that's given what, B coordinates given 4 y, and C coordinate, D coordinates is given, D coordinates is given 3 5. Let it be their coordinates, the midpoints will be x and y, no problem at all. So we can write here now what we will do there, because of the same we have taken here also, and their coordinates will be also same. So, and there will be what, it means you can say the ratio, I mean there will be BO ratio OD, or BD you can say BO, no problem, DO, that will be 1:1. That will be similar here, no problem at all. So we can find out again the midpoints of that, and midpoints of this one you can find out by that, like x is equal to what will be there. Similarly, m1 x2 given what happened, 1 into, and x2 is given this one 3, plus m1 m2, m2 is given also 1, x1 that is what, 4 by m1 plus m2. There will be what, 3 1 ja 3, 4 1 ja 4 by 2, there will be 4 3 7 by 2. Similarly, we can find out by y also, m1 y2, the m1 is given 1 and y2 is given what, 5, plus m2 is 1 and y1 is given what, y, by 1 plus 1. There will be 5 plus y by 2. So their midpoints we have also got the same here. Odd midpoints, I mean the coordinates of O we have got here, that is 7 by 2 and 5 plus y by 2. As you know, like as I have said you, the midpoints are equal. Here you can see the midpoints of AC is equal to midpoints of BD. Now both value we will put here and we can find out. So finally we have got the midpoints of AC we have got, their coordinates is given here is x plus 1 by 2 and comma 4 is equal to, the coordinates of A here is also same will be there, 7 by 2 into 5 plus y by 2. So now both sides is equal, so we can now sort out this problem. So we can do that because of the all are equal, because the value of x is here also. The whatever the value of x will be there, that will be the value of x will be here. So we can write here now x plus 1 by 2 will equal to 7 by 2 here, no problem at all. So we can say that 2 will cancel. So value of x will be what? If 1 will come this side, will be 6 minus 1. So x 7 minus 1, and the value of x will be 6. So we can got this one, value of x, what we have to find here. Already we got here now, no problem. And the here again you will write here, that is 4, and 5 plus 1 by 2 is given. So we can write here now, no problem. 5 plus y by 2 is equal to 4, we can write, no problem. Now we can continue with that. 5 plus y, if 2 will come this side, will be 4 into 2. Okay, the 5 plus y is equal to 4 2 ja 8. That is given, no problem at all. Now we can write here, now that's given already here, so we can write here now, if 5 will come this side, will be y is equal to 8 minus 5, y will be 3. So the value of what happened, x we have got 6 here, and value of y we have got 3 here. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe. Do the needful for the future video.